Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Pavoni. We did a gasket rebuild as well as replacing the inner sleeve and reconnecting the pipe. This machine was having a hard time drawing water into the group head. But like I said, it had a complete Pavoni tune-up as well as replacing the inner sleeve and making sure the lever went up correctly. So let's see how we did on this. We're going to pull a shot. Right now it's pulling the water into the brew chamber. Now we'll go ahead and... Oh, there, look at that. Crema right away. Hold that down a little longer. Gonna check the steam real quick. Pressure's holding. Nice strong steam. Feels really good. The lever felt really good. Shot looks great. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.